Old age pain, Lord, me back. Saturday morning runnings, Saturday March 22nd. When we start to get old, the body starts showing. Back a mash up, knee a lock up, and mind no keep track. Emotions are way down pan way, and spirit feel weak sometime. And the old age pain that, and all we know about it. But how we manage it, how we keep we head up, stay strong, and guard with peace. Make sure you're there with Jacqui, Lady D, Sherns, and yours truly Max Poet this Saturday morning, March 22nd at 10 a.m. for Satideh Mawnin Runnings as we talk the real truth about aging and how we deal with the pain them. Tune in 10 a.m. sharp for Instagram at Lady Dennis Gomez, Facebook Inside the Zone, Facebook Lady D Dennis Gomez, YouTube Inside the Zone with Lady D. A Saturday Morning Runnings. Make we talk the things them. Lord, me need